The opinions and interpretations expressed in this and other videos are that of Marty Huey and may not be representative of his colleagues and employer. The videos cover overlapping requirements of codes, standards, and regulations. Your situation will require full analysis beyond the concepts presented here.
Fire door and shutter protection ratings. This is found both in IBC and NFPA 80. In either code, look up required assembly rating and you will find this information. The code does not refer to door rating, it refers to door assembly rating. And that assembly is all parts of the door, the frame, the hinge, and all the hardware. This first is for firewalls and barriers that are greater than 1 hour in rating. These typically are buildings that have a height greater than 4 stories. So the shafts and or the shaft openings, the stair doors, and exit doors will have the following types of rating. 4-hour wall will have a 3-hour assembly opening. A 3-hour wall will have also a 3-hour assembly opening. And 2 hours is typically what we see in most stairs and exit passageways and shafts that will have an 1.5-hour door or opening assembly. Fire barriers, which is actually a less of a rating than a fire wall. A fire barrier, shafts, stairs, and exits, and typically buildings that are less than 4 stories will have a rating of 1 hour. And those doors or openings or shaft openings will have a rating also of 1 hour. We also have other fire barriers, and these are typically around storage rooms, kitchens, or such as in healthcare, sold utility rooms. These areas are rated also with 1 hour, but have an opening of 45 minutes or 3/4 hour. Keep in mind, these are all the openings or penetrations that occur in any of these walls. Fire-rated partitions, corridors in non-sprinkled buildings are typically 1 hour. Those doors or openings will be 1/3 hour or 20-minute doors, or smoke dampers or fire dampers of 20-minute as well. Exterior walls having a rating of 3 hour, those doors will be 1.5 hour. 2-hour wall is 2.5 hour, and 1 hour, as we see, is 3/4 hour or 45-minute door. In healthcare, we have smoke barriers, and smoke barriers have to have a minimum rating of 1 hour. They could have 2 hour, but a minimum rating of 1 hour, and those doors shall be 1/3 hour or 20-minute doors. Where the smoke barrier may have a rating of 2 hour, assembly openings, dampers, or anything penetrating the wall will be an 1.5 hour assembly.
Please post or email comments on what you've seen. Suggestions for future topics are also welcome. Marty enjoys learning from the experience of others. More videos will be added, which can be found at martyhuey.com.